Abstraction not only simplifies the programming process but also enhances collaboration among developers. Working with abstract classes and interfaces allows teams to maintain consistent communication while building upon shared foundations. For example, one developer can work on the credit card payment subclass while another focuses on PayPal payment, both using the same polymorphic structure established by the abstract class. By embracing these principles, you create a cohesive system where functionality can be updated or expanded without disrupting the overall architecture. It's a significant leap towards writing cleaner, more efficient C-voiced code. Now, consider the benefits that arise from utilizing design patterns in conjunction with abstraction. These design patterns further streamline your code, leading you to faster problem solving and clearer execution. For instance, implementing the strategy pattern alongside your abstract payment classes allows for dynamic payment handling based on user preference or business logic. This flexibility means that as your system evolves, new payment methods can be seamlessly integrated into the architecture without major overhauls. As you begin this integration process, visualize how these patterns enhance the robustness of your programming projects, offering both scalability and maintainability. Embrace this powerful combination to transform your development journey. As you embark on your C coding journey, remember that effective abstraction not only heightens your code's clarity but also empowers you to respond adaptively to changing requirements. Utilizing design patterns alongside abstraction creates a sophisticated framework within which your applications can thrive, enabling both easy navigation and swift enhancements over time. By recognizing the patterns that suit your projects, you're ensuring that your code remains agile and future-proof. So, take a moment to assess your current development practices and consider how abstraction and design patterns can elevate your work to new heights. Thank you for being part of this enlightening exploration. Now, as you implement these concepts, envision the positive impact on your team's workflow and overall productivity. As you continue to explore the intricacies of abstraction, remember that each method you implement builds a bridge to greater efficiency in your coding practices. Embracing abstraction and design patterns in your CS projects ensures not only an organized structure but also a thriving environment for innovation. By continually refining your approach, you lay the foundation for sustainable growth, allowing your applications to adapt and flourish in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Thank you for taking this journey with us.